If ChatGPT is showing a bad gateway error, don't worry. This is usually a temporary issue, and in most cases, you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest steps to get ChatGPT working again, whether the issue is coming from your browser, your internet connection, or a routing problem caused by VPN. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Let's get into it. The first thing you should do is refresh the page. On Windows, you can press Ctrl+R, or just click the refresh button in your browser. A simple refresh can clear a temporary loading problem and reconnect your session. If the page reloads and ChatGPT starts responding normally, then the issue was just a temporary glitch. If not, the next step is to click Regenerate Response and retry your prompt. Sometimes the message didn't fully load, and asking ChatGPT to generate the answer again is enough to recover the session. This is especially useful if the error appeared right after sending a message. If that still does not work, start a new chat. Click the New Chat button and begin a fresh conversation instead of continuing the old one. Old sessions can sometimes become unstable or stuck, especially if the thread is very long or the browser has been open for a while. Starting fresh gives you a clean session and often fixes the bad gateway issue immediately. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can easily trigger gateway errors, so switch between Wi-Fi and mobile hotspot if possible. If you're already on Wi-Fi, try reconnecting to the network. You can also restart your router to refresh your connection and clear any temporary network problems. If your internet is working but the error still appears, disable your VPN. VPNs can sometimes cause unstable routing or interrupt the connection between your browser and ChatGPT servers. Turn off the VPN completely, then reload ChatGPT and try again. In many cases, this step solves the problem right away. If none of these fixes work, wait a few minutes and try again later, because sometimes the issue is on the service side and not on your device. But most of the time, refreshing, regenerating, starting a new chat, checking your internet, and disabling VPN will get you back in. If this tutorial helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.